My name is Miriam Lopez, and I helped perform the experiment, write responses for the video, organize the video slides, as well as edit the video.
My name is Soshi Santiago. I helped perform the experiment by dropping the ball from the initial height, and I wrote responses for the slides.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Francia, and I recorded the experiment and edited the resulting videos to determine maximum height of each object. Projectile motion is the motion of an object thrown or projected into the air, influenced by acceleration of gravity. Projectile motion is useful for real-life applications such as shooting bullets or cannons, sports like basketball and golf, and last but not least, rockets and missiles. In each of these cases, projectile motion helps us estimate the path and final position of the projectile itself.
In order to find the angle for the maximum height, the plate angle was altered until the bar was cleared, and then continuously altered until we achieved the largest height possible. Then a digital protractor was used to measure the plate angle once these two conditions were met. To calculate the height, we placed a ruler behind the container, and once the recordings were reviewed, we were able to determine the maximum height.
In this lab, we use kinematic and kinetic equations for calculations. First, we use kinetic energy equations to determine the velocity of the ball as it strikes a platform. Once this was found, it was input into kinematic equations to find the angle the platform must be set at, to clear the obstacle and maximize the height. As shown here, the coefficient of restitution and basic kinematic equations allowed for variable manipulation to solve for the angle in terms of the height and length of the obstacle.
In our observation, the first combination, the Delrin ball and acrylic plate, had a maximum height of 11.75 inches at an angle of 11.2 degrees. Our second combination, the nylon ball and acrylic plate, had a maximum height of 12.5 inches at about 10.8 degrees. The obstacle was cleared by both combinations, and there's a difference between our calculated value and our experimental value due to the sources of error and uncontrollable variables. In conclusion, the combination of the nylon ball and acrylic plate had the greatest maximum height at 12.5 inches. Our main source of error was human error, especially when attempting to accurately measure and record the data. These errors could have been avoided by being more precise with the setup procedure, as well as using more accurate materials to measure the data.